Good afternoon, staff. This video is going to be just a short reminder to you about how to copy your content from your Canvas courses. So right now I already have created a course. If I'm going to go to my courses, I'm going to go to all courses. And I have already created a course for the 2019-2020 teacher and staff. And you guys know that we keep a few documents in this area, but I'm also going to use this course just as an example. So if you have forgotten how to create a course, just remember that you can go to your courses, all courses, and then use this setting right here, create a course name, and make sure you keep it in the CC attribution. You cannot leave it private. You won't be able to copy content from a course that's private, and you don't want to put it in the public domain because you want to keep our curriculum from being out there in the public. But anyway, so if you have not done so already, what I would advise you do is go ahead and create your courses for the upcoming school year. This is going to be my 2019-2020 teachers and staff course. And I'm going to show you how to import information or import content to your course. So you can do this a couple of different ways. One thing that So you can go to settings and you can click on import course content. And what I am essentially going to do is I'm just going to copy my course from last year. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can export your course, and some of you may have done that to back your courses up. But I'm actually just going to copy my course because it's going to be the easiest thing for me to do, and then I'll go in and delete what we don't need out of that course as we go forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the course from last year, and actually I think it was, so as I was saying, for some strange reason we had a technical difficulty, but you will want to search for your course from last year, the course that you wish to make a copy of. So in my case, that course that I was wanting to make a copy of was the SMS Faculty 1819. I found that course, and you want to pay attention to the dates. For right now, I just leave the dates off of there. I wouldn't even shift them. I would just delete the dates because if you have specific due dates set for your assignments and such, then you will not be able to, I mean, you can adjust them after the fact, but you will have to go in and do those one at a time by hand. So that can be a pretty labor-intensive task. So I would just remove the dates or I would shift them. So right now I have already selected the content to export, and it will tell you once you export your content that it is queued. So you're going to want to wait, and that's what we're doing right now. We are waiting, not so patiently, on the course to download. So I'm going to pause the video until it finishes, and then I will come back and I will show you what your next steps are going to be. Okay. So we're just now complete. The course has actually copied. So I'm going to go home now to my course. And you guys can see that all of the content from last year's course has actually copied right into my course this year. Some things though that you are going to want to pay attention to, I believe I removed all the due dates, but I would check. And you can see that right now I have published some of the content from last year. For example, this Jason Foundation model is going to be the wrong one because we're getting a different, or we're actually doing a different suicide prevention training module this year. And then I've also got some other things. You can see I've got the professional growth plan posted, but it'll all have to be updated. So make sure you check your modules, check your content, and make sure that everything that you have on there is what you want. And then I believe also that you can, let's check my people out here. And I still am not really certain why I can't add people, but it may be because of the terms. Like I think the term is ended. So I will check that on my end and see if I can fix that. But this is just a short video to remind you how to copy your courses. And if you need any help, let me know and I will get you another video set up so you will hopefully all questions Canvas can be answered. Have a great day.